Hi there guys, so today is gonna be a little different than usual. I just received this little package from Japan, and inside of that package is something I was really looking forward to receive. So let's open that up and see what it is. Okay, so got Japanese paper, nice, an invoice, and there it is, the polar bear from Wave. Yeah, it's in the 120 scale, series MK052. And it's Machine and Krieger, done by the Wave Corporation. Inside. So that is something quite different from what I used to do. And there's the back. So yeah, let's put that away. It's open, so yeah, it's really nice small kit. It is quite new, it's from 2017 if I'm not mistaken. So inside we've got these little bags. Let's get that aside. Okay, so that's the sprue. Really nice mold, not much of a flash. If I just get that, oh, there we are. So there it is, yeah, and that is the pilot's head there. Not sure, and the clean parts. Four clear parts, really nice. Not much of a distortion there. Okay. And the joints, which are made from rubberish plastic. More interesting. Another two screws. So yeah, so that's the main bit, main part is on the legs and arms. Nice details. Imagine these are the legs and his arms with fingers. Interesting. So let's see about the instructions. Instructions quite small. Let's get that. Okay, so the instruction is. And it's all in Japanese, which will be, that's gonna be fun. So, oh no, there's English as well, so that shouldn't be that bad. Alright, so we start with the leg, right leg, left leg, and then arms, and the body. Interesting. And then the body continues, and the head, helmet, and yeah. So not just 10 steps, that's not bad. Part list, which is really nice because it's like a shortcut to your instruction. Instead of parts listed in a sprue, and there's this, it's in Japanese, but that's absolutely fine. There's a paint scheme, which is quite cool. So there is the armored fighting suit. So that's the winter camo. It's very much like late World War II German camo, and some greenish camo, and we've got decals as well. And the decals are just there. Oh, really nice. Really nice decals. Let me just get that. Yep, there we are. Really nice decals. Actually, quite a lot of them for such a small kit, which is nice. And yeah, so this is my next project that I will definitely be doing a short clip on YouTube for that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with the build of this Machine and Krieger armored fighting suit. Thanks.